Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to create multi-storefront in Shopify Plus. So first thing, we're going to click on My Store right here on the top right corner and click on All Stores. Now click on Create Store, and for this you need to be subscribed to Shopify Plus. So after that, they're gonna ask you the name of the store and all the details, and just go through all the questions they ask and just click on Create Store. And after that, your store will appear right here, and you can just choose which store you want to choose and just customize it from there. That's it. Thanks for watching.